Okay, so continuing on with this series on functions, let's just recap, make sure, no assumptions. You can see this function f, and if I label these set a and b just to be clear, and we did in a previous video, again you could check that out, the domain was 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the codomain, which is b essentially, is a, b, c and d, has those elements. Now what is an onto function and what does it mean? Well, before we start, let's make sure we can say that f is a function from a to b, right? Because of the assignments, the way that works, just a foundational bit of knowledge. And so is this an onto, or another name for it, surjective function? Yes or no? So let's say onto. Oh no. I'll put surjective below, more formal. Okay, is it onto? Well, yes, it is, because all of the elements in the codomain B should have put an R mapped to an element in the domain, yeah? So all we need to remember for onto or surjective is that all elements in the codomain have been assigned a value. That makes it onto or a surjective function. Another way to remember this aspect of onto or surjective functions is that the codomain and the range have all of the same elements. So because if I draw under each of these has been assigned, then the range for B would therefore be A, B, C and D in my set. And you can see quite quickly these elements are the same. So that is your criteria in set notation, okay, to keep it pretty simple. Now let's have a look at something that isn't an onto or surjective function. I'll just pause as I redraw some of this. So let's draw another function, and in this time I'll do it with red just to make sure. 1 there, 2 to D. Let's say 3 goes to A this time, and then 4 goes to C. Now if my codomain is still the same, however, look at my range. B has not been assigned, yeah? So I've only got A, C and D that have these assigned values, yeah? So 2 have gone to A this time, C and D. So the range, in this case, the range is not the same. Okay, maybe does not equals is the wrong symbol, but you get the idea. Is not the same as the codomain. Therefore, it is not an onto or surjective function because, crucially, B here has not been assigned a value, and there is that difference. So if I flick back to the other one, this one, as I've flicked over to it, you can see the slightly different assignments. If I go back and forth, this one is different because all of these have been assigned a value. You can see that. So therefore, and again, let me go into red here, as we did earlier, the range would be A, B, C and D. So they were the same. That is onto or surjective. However, here the range and the codomain are different, okay? Missing that B element, so therefore it is not onto or surjective. Those are the main key differences between these two types of functions. Okay, Hope you found this video useful. Remember, it's never too late to become a developer, software engineer, programmer, learn coding, whatever you want to do. And I'm here doing that myself. So subscribe and follow along if you want more videos like this. Check out the nice simple tutorial playlist I've done on discrete maths to help you along that journey, making videos I wish already existed for me. So hopefully I can help you as well. And I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.